rosy glitter, just a smaller beads. And you can place about 50% or 60%. And it's really cool about rosy glitters. You can definitely use it as a glitter ombre, or you can ombre on the top of rosy glitter, so however you would like. Blend it, this one right here. Great. All right, so it's hard because if I move it up, then Facebook can see. All right, so move on to, so if you're happy with this, you can add it more and make it look darker. But I want to do smaller beads of light nude. And we're going to place this right on above. Thank you so much, Dom. I'm having so much fun. I'm so excited because we're doing 3 platforms at the same time right now. However, I couldn't see the comments fast enough. So thanks so much for bearing with me, and thank you so much for all the love and support. Okay, so then we're going to place it right above the ombre that we want to be, and then we are going to taper it in the center. So Facebook, and now the second bead we're gonna pick up and then tuck it right in. And blend it. If you need to add more on any, you can. But now I want to add some more glitter. Let me see on this side. Okay, so I'm gonna add just a little bit of glitters. Smaller amounts is better because then you can control it so much easier. All right, just a little bit more. Looks cool. Awesome. All right, so now I'm happy with this. I'm gonna cap this with the crystal clear. Important, you're gonna cap it right here where yours like light nude and your rosy glitter. Tilt the nails, and if you're doing your clients, just tilt it down a little bit so the gravity will do all the work for you. Great. Fabulous. Let it set, and then we are going to do